Hey folks, Adam here. Today I want to give you an opportunity to check out my bed frame. This is an Espresso by Mellow. It comes in cherry pine black and I believe one other color. So go ahead and pick one up. It's 12 inches and it is a really nice sturdy bed frame. So let's go ahead and lift up so you can see what's underneath. You see the slots, they actually are Velcroed in, and there's an adhesive piece to keep your mattress from moving around. Fabricator name is Mellow Inc., and this was produced in June of 2020. So like I said, I've had it for a little while, and it is an absolutely incredibly sturdy bed frame. Now, it is nice that the adhesive tape does keep the mattress from moving around, and I gotta put it back into place now that I've picked it up a little bit. But this is a very sturdy mattress bed frame that I use with my Vibe mattress. So you can see the styling, again, 2 years old. There's no chance that this thing is going to shake or shimmy. It is in great shape, and I trust this bed frame. I can jump on this. I'm a 200 and something pound man, and I don't have to worry about any shifting of this mattress or this bed frame. So go ahead and order yours today. Get the color you want, but absolutely a fantastic bed frame. I think you're gonna dig it. You won't be disappointed. You can go ahead and order with confidence, and you can see it even has the additional supports in the center to make sure that there will be no sag. Fantastic, right? All right, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.